Introducing Ecostan new heavy-duty chipper grinder, model CCG3 with a production of 2,000 kilograms per hour, powerful enough to chip the raw material in a matter of seconds. This powerful chipper helps the users to ship the material into different sizes and they can easily meet their production requirements. First of all, material is placed on the moving belt conveyor which helps to drip material to the infeed chamber of chipper grinder. Further, the chipper blades helps to chip the material into desired size. Likewise, with the help of perforated screen, the size of material can be adjusted by changing the screen. After that, the finished and chipped material is moved to the other end with the help of moving belt conveyor. Moreover, the chipper is operated with a fully automatic panel, which helps to control all the functions and speed of infeed material by using automatic drives. Less manpower and electricity is required to operate the CCG3 chipper, all thanks to Ecostan engineers team. Ecostan chipper grinder is ideal for chipping materials such as tree branches, shrubs, bushes, agriculture waste and forest waste, etc. Other models are also available from 300 kilograms per hour to 10,000 kilograms per hour, with a power requirement from 10 horsepower to 160 horsepower. Contact us on following numbers or log on to ecostan.com. Order now. Ecostan, making world a better place.
Ecostan listen to their customers, that's why we bring new briquette machine with the improved quality, production rotary drum dryer. Reduce moisture within a matter of seconds, presenting new RDD4.